In this episode, we will be discussing California tenant obligation to maintain fit dwelling. The California Civil Code, Chapter 2, Section 1941.2 emphasizes that no duty on the part of the landlord to repair a dilapidation shall arise under our video titled California Landlord Building Must Be Fit for Occupancy if the tenant is in substantial violation of any of the following affirmative obligations, provided the tenant's violation contributes substantially to the dilapidation or interferes with the landlord's obligation to perform repairs. Tenant obligations. To keep that part of the premises which he or she occupies and uses clean and sanitary as the condition of the premises permits, unless the landlord has expressly agreed in writing to perform this act. To dispose from his or her dwelling unit all of the rubbish, garbage, and other waste in a clean and sanitary manner, unless the landlord has also agreed in writing to do this. To properly use and operate all electrical, gas, and plumbing fixtures and keep them as clean and sanitary as their condition permits. Not to permit any person on the premises, with his or her permission, to willfully or wantonly destroy, deface, damage, impair, or remove any part of the structure or dwelling unit or the facilities, equipment, or appurtenances. And finally, to occupy the premises as his or her abode, utilizing portions thereof for living, sleeping, cooking, or dining purposes only, which were respectively designed or intended to be used for such occupancies. For additional laws and articles, visit AmericanLandlord.com.